More than just showing you my work, this series is to ensure that I become more productive. Because for me to show you something, I have to at least do something. Namaste everyone, this is Abhinandan Patidar, first year MBBS student at MGM Medical College Indore, and in this video, as the title says, we are going to have a week in a while. So we'll start with the learnings that I got this week, be it from the quotes or from any of the book I have read or any of the self-help video that I watched. And I'm also going to share the books that I'm thinking I should start reading and what motivates me to do so. Further, I will also show you the progress that I've made on the hobbies that I've put to work. This will encourage me to do it continuously or carry it on continuously without any break, because now I am committed that I have to show it to you. So this will benefit me, but in some ways it may encourage you. Further, I'll also show the percentage of to-do list, the percentage of to-do list I followed. So yeah, these are the things that we are going to discuss, or I am going to share with you in this video. So let us begin with the first learning. So it goes like, don't give the time, give the presence to the task you are doing. So this is the line from one of the podcasts of Mr. Jay Shetty, where he draws the line or make distinction between the time we are giving and the presence we are giving to any particular task or a particular task that we are doing. So most of us or many of us complains about the thing that we devoted this much hours or we devoted this much time for this particular task and then also nothing happened. So now I guess you know that why it's not happening, because you are giving enough time but not the presence. So the next learning is tiny but is with tremendous potential if understood well. So it goes like, don't be or don't try to be on the top of someone, but become the fullest or become the fullest of who you are. So the speaker in the lines wants to convey that we always try to be on the top of someone, be in the class, or we want to top the class, or always we want to be on the top of someone, and that is our idea of success. But in this case, the drawback is that our potential in that case remains unexplored. Our full potential, I would better say, remains unexplored, because in that particular case our actions or our idea of success is governed by the actions made by someone else. The third important or the next learning is the definition of books, and in other words, it's also the reason to read a particular book. So it goes like, a book is the summary of years of experience into few hours of reading. Now the author pours into his books his years of experience, the mistakes he did, the lessons he learned, for us to drink that and get instantly charged by that high density knowledge. So definitely we should read books. So the next learning goes like this: when starting a side hustle is concerned, quantity is more important than quality. So I got this idea from one of the videos of Dr. Ali Abdal, where he talks about overcoming the fears when starting something new, more precisely YouTube channel. So why quantity? Because when we are more focused on quantity in the beginning, of course we'll work more, and if we'll work more, definitely it will improve our skills, and improvement in skills, I guess, is the most important thing for a beginner. And later he also adds that in the beginning no pro is going to watch your video, so keep aside your fears that you will be judged by someone and keep on producing more and more content. Well, this learning was particularly for me, but it might help if you too are thinking to start a YouTube channel. Are you? So I guess that this much learning is enough for a week. So let us put a hold to our learnings and discuss something about the studies or the progress that I have made in pursuing my hobbies. So I want to say sorry because I have nothing to share. But now that I've said or I have talked about this particular things in this video, it will be an obligation for me to include them in the next video. And it is not like I didn't did any study this week or I didn't made any progress in the hobbies, but the work is not in the manner that I can express it in the form of video. So definitely in the next video or next video of this series I will include that particular thing. So that's all for this video, and again I am saying that I will do my best to include these hobbies and study part in the next video. And if you find this video valuable, do hit the like button and please comment, because comments are the most important force in motivating me up. So if you feel anything, if you like it, dislike it, please mention the reason in the comment sections below. And thanks to all who did comment on the previous videos and they did a great job in motivating me up. Thank you once again. So please comment. Dhanyawad.